Kia needs the stinger to support the position of the brand, no? To help us reinforce the position of Kia in the hands of consumers. A lot of those consumers that will buy this car, probably they never thought about buying Kia ever in their lives. And this will be the first Kia that really attract them, that they make them think about a brand that they never thought or had never experienced before with any other product.
It's a head-turning car. When you drive it, people look at you. It's also a car that you like to drive. So we have, for example, electronic control suspension that measure the damping for each wheels, or drive mode select to the technologies of steering, variable gear ratio.
And as I know, as far as driving dynamics, you brought into the team a very special engineer.
Exactly. About a few years ago, we brought Albert Biermann to the team. He was really proud to work on this project. First, because we had BMW 4 Series as a benchmark for this car, so it was a great help to reach the level of driving dynamics that we have today.
We have ex-engineer from BMW with more than 30 years experience in BMW. And of course, for him, the reference for this kind of products was BMW. So we use BMW as the reference for the car in terms of ride and handling and all tuning and so on. But we don't want to compare ourselves with BMW as a brand, no? But at the end, I think that if you're bringing a car like this to the market, you have to make sure that you bring the best car possible.
But is it really a one-off project, or can we expect some more premium Kias?
Well, I don't even want to call it a premium Kia, no? The fact is that it's a car positioned in the premium segment, no? But we believe that we have the opportunity, not only with the premium consumers that are buying currently those premium brands, but even because from a pricing perspective, we're going to be more competitive than them. Our price point will also allow a lot of people that would like to have a car in this segment and with these characteristics, and nowadays they are not able to buy it because the only products that they find in the market, they are premium, they are very expensive.
Many people aspiring to buy a BMW Grand Coupe or A5, but there is a price ladder that they cannot go over. They don't have the means to buy it, and they tend to buy smaller cars, hot hatch from the C segment, with a lot of torque and performance, a lot of equipment, because they cannot afford to go into a D segment coupe. So we believe that from those people, we will be able to get some customers.
It's like the kind of, I'm driving a sporty version of a C segment car, but in reality the car that I would like to have is that one, no? But I'm not able to get there.
This, your market analysis, did it show that people want these coupe-styled limousines?
Yeah, there's a lot of data showing that.
Not everyone wants to drive, let's call it a boring sedan, and this also gives an alternative to people that are in the sedan segment to have a more sporty, good-looking alternative.
When you drive this car, when you look at this car looks like a European car, was designed by a European team and by a European designer, a very famous one, but European designer, was tuned and prepared by a European engineer with a lot of a big European team behind. This is a European product, no? From a company that is not European.